Hey guys, my name is Tessa, and we're going to be doing a sequence today for anyone struggling with insomnia, hard time sleeping, and if you are in a place where your kind of thoughts are racing or your breath is shallow, this is definitely the video for you. So let's go ahead and get started in tabletop position. So you can go ahead and come onto all fours. So tabletop is a great place to just feel more grounded in your body, in our body. So deep inhale, round the spine, and exhale, arch. And just start really tuning into your breath. And moving with your breath on the inhale, round, and the exhale, open. And do this 2 or 3 more times at your own pace. And 1 vertebrae at a time, just opening, rolling the shoulders back. Really rounding that upper back, rounding the shoulders, bringing the chin in. And big toes together, knees wide apart, wider than hip distance. Go ahead and bring your hips towards your heels and just let your head rest. And if your hips are elevated, that's fine. Just really allowing the weight of your hips to fall towards your heels, and just notice your breath. This is a great pose if you're feeling just kind of scattered. It's very grounding. Go ahead and walk your hands forward. And press those inner palms, press the palms, feeling length in the spine, feeling heaviness in the hips, not trying to drop your hips, just letting gravity do its work. And relax your face. And just keep tuning into your breath. And up to down dog. Go ahead and tuck your toes under, spread your fingers wide, and press those thighs back, bringing the heels down towards the floor, and just enjoying this length in the spine as you press through the palms, pressing the thighs back. Go ahead and walk it out a little bit, just 1 heel at a time. Enjoying the stretch for the calves and hamstrings. And spread your fingers 1 more time, really pressing through your palms, pressing those thighs back. And coming back down to child's pose, big toes together, knees apart. And this time really focusing on our hips a little bit more. So just let those hips drop towards your heels. And just notice if you're starting to feel slightly more open in your hips. And notice your breath. And just a few more breaths here. And you can come on up. And we're going to continue to open up the hips. Go ahead and come into seated position. And we're going to just cross our legs. So just take note of which leg is in front and feeling nice long spine, feeling rooted through your sit bones. You can start to bring yourself forward, and you can just walk your hands forward. And your hands might not even be on the ground. Wherever you're at, just feel rooted through your sit bones, feeling that stretch in the front leg. And just relax your face and notice your breath. So in this position, I'm letting my spine round slightly, but I'm not just collapsing forward. And I feel more of a stretch, a nice long spine. And notice if you're holding in your abdomen, and just relax your stomach and notice your breath. And opposite leg forward, it's going to be my left. So with left leg in front, feeling rooted through your sit bones. Same thing, just feeling that stretch in the front leg, that hip. Nice long spine. And again, just notice if you're holding your abdomen and just relax. And notice your breath. You can close your eyes if you want, if it would feel good. If it feels easy and you need more, you can just keep walking those hands forward with a nice long spine. And coming right into Bakasana, a wonderful hip stretch. Go ahead and bring the soles of your feet together. And if you're feeling like this is too much being on the ground, you can grab a block or a towel, and just so you have something to prop yourself up on. And I'm just going to use the block. And also, if you're feeling extra tight, you can bring your feet away from your pelvic floor, just creating a little bit more space. And feeling rooted through your sit bones, whatever you're seated on. Go ahead and same thing, just walking the hands forward and allowing the groins to open, allowing the hips to open as you lengthen the spine forward. And as you hold this position, you might just ask your body if you're ready for a little bit more, and you can kind of lower closer to the ground. And wherever you're at, feeling rooted through your sit bones and feeling length in the spine. You can close your eyes if you want and just relax your abdomen. Nice deep breaths here. And you can come up. And just gently, you can bring those knees up, and we're going to lay on the ground. So go ahead and make sure that your toes are in line with each other. One foot isn't in front of the other. And you can just scooch your butt forward. I'm just gonna lay down. So in this position, go ahead and bring your hands onto your abdomen, just below your belly button. And you can close your eyes and just feel rooted through your feet. Notice if you're clenching your jaw, just relax your jaw and let your head feel heavy. And just start to take some super deep breaths into that lower abdomen. So moving from chest breathing to abdominal breathing. And just take a few deep breaths in through your nose. And out through your mouth. And do a few more at your own pace. And one more at your own pace. Really letting your hands lift with your breath. On that last exhale, go ahead and bring your arms overhead And this is a really safe position to just offer the spine some more length with the knees bent. Just feeling nice long spine, soft curve in your low back. And in this position, relaxing the shoulders but keeping the length in your arms. Go ahead and press your feet, just lifting the hips, opening up the shoulders a little bit more, and tuck your chin in towards your chest. Feeling rooted through your feet. Nice long spine. Just notice your breath and your connection to the earth in this moment. And come on down. And one more time. Go ahead and reach through your arms. Nice long spine to start. And this might be enough for you right now. If you want more, go ahead and press those feet. And forming a straight line from your knees all the way to your chest and tucking that chin in. This is great for stimulating the thyroid in a really healthy way before sleep. And just notice your breath. This position is really great for stimulating the thyroid gland, which helps a lot with regulating sleep. And just notice your breath here, feeling rooted through your feet, tucking the chin in. And you can slowly lower those hips. And Shavasana, go ahead and bring your limbs to a lying down position. And if your low back feels a little tender, you can grab a rolled up blanket or towel and put it under your knees. You can pause this video and come back. And just a few moments in Shavasana. So you can close your eyes and let's just take a few deep breaths, however it feels natural for you. And just feeling connected to the earth and just letting go of all effort, all mental effort, physical effort, just letting go and feeling supported by the earth, right where you're at. And relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your head, relaxing your abdomen and your jaw. And you can open your eyes. And that is it for our routine for insomnia. I'm gonna go ahead and come to a seated position. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, we have a lot of great content on our app. It's called Yoga Plus, and you should check us out. So I hope that you have a great night or day, and I will talk to you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.